If you open a hacked system the wrong way, you can destroy evidence forever. In this video, I'll show you how forensic experts safely access data without modifying a single bit. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Silent Defender. In digital forensics, we don't open files directly, instead we mount forensic images. We take an image file and make it behave like a real disk. So for this tutorial, we will be using two things. First is a snapshot of a disk which will be E01 file, and we will be using a tool by the name of Arsenal Image Mounter, a widely used DFIR tool that lets us safely mount E01 images. We will open the image in a read-only mode. If you don't use read-only mode, even opening a file can change timestamps, and that can make your evidence useless in an investigation. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we want to have a sample image which we will investigate, a E01 file. To get that, you can either use an FTK imager or you can simply download one from the internet. So in this case, we will navigate to a website by the name of CFReDS. Here we have a forensic image test image. So we'll click on this. We will use this Google Drive link and download it. The file is downloaded. Let's go to downloads, cut it from here, and in a forensics folder under the images, let's paste it. Okay. Now let's go ahead and download the Arsenal Image Mounter. So here we can scroll down and we can download this. So the web page was not opening up. As an alternative, I opened the same website on my phone using a VPN, downloaded the file, put it on a USB, and then plugged that USB into this virtual machine. But I hope when you are watching this tutorial, the website might be working, or you can use a VPN service to access the website and it will work. So now we have the tool here. Let's move it to our C drive, forensics, and put it here. Let's click on OK. It requires a certain SCSI miniport driver to create virtual disk. Not currently installed. Do you want to install the driver? Let's click yes. And the driver was successfully installed. Let's restart. So now the machine is restarted. Let's again navigate to our tool. And run the application. Okay, so we'll click on Mount Disk Image and navigate to our disk, which we have in Forensics Images. So now we have two options here, is read only and write temporary in the free version. We will select the read only to maintain the integrity, and none of the other options are clickable as of now. And we don't want any of these as of now, so let's click OK. And yeah, so let's go ahead and try to navigate here. We go to this PC and now you can see we have a F drive, this one. If you open this, we can navigate to all the folders and all the directories. So now Windows thinks this is a real disk, but remember, we are not touching the real evidence. Now that you can safely access forensic images, the next step is analyzing artifacts like registry, event logs, and MFT, which is where real investigations begin. So as of now, let's unmount this and refresh it and close this. So if you are learning digital forensics and incident response, like, share and subscribe. I'm documenting everything step by step, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep defending.